So while many of you have heard of Carvana at this point, there are now other ways to buying a vehicle online. But instead of the financing or buying one outright, we're talking more like lease-like subscription setup. And today we're talking about Fin, a new online-based vehicle subscription service that offers 6 and 12 months terms with free delivery. We got a media code to access the service, which included a total of 3 weeks with the new 2022 Jeep Wagoneer. And we'll let you know how our experience went, as well as seeing if this is a viable option for you. So let's dive into it. So Fin works like an all-in-one lease subscription that handles everything from insurance, vehicle tax, inspection, 24/7 roadside assistance, maintenance, wear and tear, and even depreciation in one monthly price. Now, they're currently available in New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, Massachusetts, Washington, D.C., Virginia, Maryland, Connecticut, New Hampshire, Vermont, Maine, Rhode Island, and more cities coming soon. And yes, there are EV options like the Tesla Model 3 and the Model Y, depending on your location and availability. Fin's subscription plans start at low as $4.99 and goes up to $15.80 monthly. Now you get to choose the color of your vehicle, your choice of 6 to 12 months subscription, monthly miles of 850, go up to 1,000 miles with extra 49 bucks, go up to 1,250 miles for extra 129 bucks, or go up to 1,500 miles for 229 bucks. Now, at first glance, the pricing might seem a bit on the higher side, especially when leasing a vehicle normally has lower payments than going the financing route. So, like I said, the monthly subscription includes everything we included in one fee. If you have any issues, you can get it taken care of directly straight from Fin. Now, you do need a minimum of a 625 credit score, a valid driver's license that's at least 2 years old, and be 25 years older. The whole process to order your vehicle takes less than 5 minutes. You sign up via desktop or mobile, you fill out the required info, you choose your vehicle, your color, along with the date for drop off. You take a pic to upload your driver's license for verification. And as long as all that information is good, you're good to go. Now moving on to the actual vehicle of it. Wagoneer we have has a 5.7 liter V8 engine, 392 horsepower, and of course 4x4 capabilities. Jeep made sure this thing can move, but not so much you got to worry about it flipping over on sharp turns. You got good handling on rocky and uneven pavement, and accelerating on fast curves while still hugging the road. This will be great for handling road trips where that didn't take too much gas. Our 40-minute road trip and back only took about a quarter of a tank, while a lot of short stop and go trips would be, that's where the whole gas guzzler thing would come into play. Now this is a 3-row SUV that seats up to 8. You got remote start, heated steering wheel, heated and cooled front seat, tri-zone climate control for each row available, 8 Napa leather trimmed seats, a 10.1-inch touchscreen display, a tri-pane, panoramic roof, backup camera, front and rear blind spot sensors, and a 9-speaker Alpine system with a subwoofer. The interior is as roomy as it would look. You have good headroom and amazing legroom in all 3 rows, first, second, and third, and a grand total of 116 cubic feet of total cargo space. Now, I wish the trim that we got offered the 360-degree cameras. That would be great, but you'll have to rely on your front and rear sensors and the backup camera. Now, this isn't an EV, but tons of ways to charge your device. You have a wireless charging pad, a set of USB-C and A ports, and a 12-volt port all in the front right underneath heating and cooling controls. And then you have a single set of USB-C and USB-A in a smaller front compartment, the center console, 150-watt AC port, a 12-volt port on the second row, and as well as a set of USB-C and USB-A on each side of the third row, along with an extra 12-volt port. Now, all this makes for a large, luxurious experience. The Wagoneer as a whole is an ideal vehicle for large families, those who carpool, or someone who desires a lot of trunk space. Armed with many amenities, features, and of course the space that anyone would want. And returning the Wagoneer through Fin was a simple process as well. Coordinate with Fin, to lock in the desired pickup time via phone call or text. Check out the vehicle, note any dents or dings that may have acquired throughout your time with it. Make sure it's clean, they tow it away, and you're good to go. So if you are in the market for doing a car subscription plan for a new car, a new truck, definitely go check out fin.auto and check out their inventory and see what they have available in your area. You can also save $200 off your Fin subscription. We'll have the code below. Are you interested in it? Does it sound like something you might partake in? Sound off in the comments below. As always, you could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you next video. Peace.